Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the country of the PayPal that you are on. There are a lot of times, when you go to Google and let me say you're going to PayPal, when you are in Google and you do like PayPal, most cases you don't know, like, let me click on this. Most cases you don't know, like, which PayPal country that you're using. Okay, for example, when I'm here, like some people have no clue, like, is this your country PayPal? Especially if you have been having a VPN, sometimes when you go to Google and search, sometimes you may be redirected to another PayPal of another country. For example, you may be in South Africa, but the account, actually the PayPal account that you're signing up with is for the US. So how do you tell that the PayPal that you are on, the PayPal website that you're on, is for your country? Reason being is crucial that this PayPal account, sometimes the requirements are actually a bit different. For example, if I'm signing up a PayPal account from, let me say, from Kenya or Uganda or Nigeria, they may not really ask me the states because there are no states in Uganda, there are no states. So, whereas when you're using the US, there will be some fields which are extra. So, it's important to know which PayPal website you're using on, because PayPal has different websites for different countries. So, it's something which people don't understand, but they're kind of different websites for different countries. For example, if I want to know what PayPal is this PayPal for South Africa? Is this for Kenya, UK, US? What you have to do is you have to look at the URL, which is loading here on the top. Okay, for example, I am seeing like paypal.com/US/home. So /US, that is a country. Okay, that is US. Okay, and also you can actually scroll down to the footer and let's scroll down. Okay, there the footer, you realize actually is a flag for the country of the people that you're using. Okay, so that's how you can know, okay, now this is the US. So if you're going to create a PayPal and you realize you are using a US website, you kind of have to load the website of your country. How do you change it? You just actually put the country code of your country. For example, if you're in South Africa, you just do paypal.com/ZA. Now you realize actually this will be for South Africa. Okay. So this is how you can actually change the country of the website of PayPal you want to sign up. This is how you change PayPal website country it's using. If you're coming from South Africa, you want to sign up a website PayPal for South Africa, it's better you load South African PayPal. If you're coming, let me say, from UAE, I think that is AE, then it means you have to just do like paypal.com/AE. So putting the country prefix on a domain up there in a domain kind of changes uh, the country of the PayPal website you're on. So that's how you change actually also the country PayPal website you're on. So it's very crucial to sign up um, PayPal from the country that you're in, because you may be in South Africa, yet actually the PayPal account that you're signing up is actually UK. So you'll be asked questions for UK, yet you don't know. Yet for you, you are shown like you're using South Africa, yet actually the PayPal is actually you're signing up is for UK. This brings a lot of issues because the questions that they'll ask you, the fields that they'll ask you will be for UK and for South Africa. Okay, so that's how you can tell the country of PayPal website you're on, and this is how also you can change the country of your PayPal website. You just have to change the link on your PayPal. Okay, you just write the website slash paypal.com. Just write paypal.com slash your country. If you're coming from Uganda, that would be paypal.com/UJ. Okay. Then you can always confirm that by going there down. Then you realize, okay, there's actually UG flag. Okay. Uganda flag. So let me see you in the next video. If you like videos concerning PayPal, making money online, subscribe on my YouTube channel, like my video, and I really appreciate it. Okay. Leave me a comment below if you have any question concerning this. Bye-bye.